Oh.
There's a clip I have. You were like, oh, you blocked off. He's like, go! And when you scream it dumb loud, you're funny.
I'm gonna pass out, man.
Eunice. Oh my god, I'm the greatest player known to mankind right now. Fuck!
They kill you? To the floor.
Run, 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 don't pass out, don't pass out. Don't move, don't move, don't move.
She's right behind me, Malvin! Right behind you, Malvin! Bro, I'm dead! I have no stamina!
He's still here.
Oh shit. Please hurry.
He's coming.
Go, 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 go,
Open.
Oh, it's open! Fuck!
Go! Go!
Oh, they closed it, Melvin.
Melvin, you're not dead ass. Where'd you go?
Fuck, he was back a little.
Fuck me, man, I'm dead.
Melvin. Is the door?
He can instantly pick it, I think, though. You have a
He
pick?
doesn't have a pick. Is the door open?
Oh, no, he doesn't.
Go!
Go, Melvin! Let's go!
They didn't lock it, they didn't lock it.
Oh my god.
Let's fucking go, dude.
Eunice, don't go that way.
Oh my god, Tyler. Oh my god. Who the fuck just ran by me? I need help. Who just ran by me? She's fucking lighting me up.
Eunice, Eunice, Eunice! You motherfucker!
Melvin's putting in. Wait. Wait. Wait.
How does she know?
She just knew where he was. She just knew where he was. She just knew where he was.
So we're fucked.
That's crazy. She ran right to him. Did Melvin just pull off Goof of the fucking century? Oh my god, Melvin. You might have the fattest fucking ass in this lobby.
Please. Please don't let that thing come back.
So that bitch
Can't hide
can
behind
rest
that
in
desk,
piss.
right?
Dude, he hid in there and she found him last time.
How do I do this? How do I do this?
Alright, so you see the numbers underneath both of them and the colors? You have to match the, you have to put the color, alright, so you see the top is 13, you have to use a yellow and a green to match 13. So we have to put the 4 in the green, because that's the only green one. Put the 4, put the green 4 in the thing. Yeah. And the blue has to equal 9. Yeah, 5 and 4, 5 and 4, yeah, put them in.
Tyler, it's on, it's on.
Yeah.
Go downstairs, go
It's on, it's on! It's on, toilet! Get out!
No!
Melvin, get out that window, baby! Get out that window, baby!
Go! Jumps out! Big play!
Oh, he's moving out! This is out!
Get up!
Go basement, go basement.
What do you mean go basement? We were just down there.
Go back.
You're putting...
Why?
Fuck, Eli come. He's coming up. Go basement, go basement.
Did he close the door?
Yeah.
Good.
I hit him with a shoulder.
Please don't let that.
Go, baby. Run, babies.
Where the fuck is it?
Where the fuck is this thing at, man?
You know, you're behind us?
Yeah. Oh, it's behind you guys. It's behind you guys. Deal with it.
No, really?
Yes.
Where is it? 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 Do not
No,
escape
he's
without
making
me.
that.
He's on it. He's on it. He's cutting it open. I'm leaving. Bye.
He's over there?
Yeah, he's cutting the wall in half. You have to go around it a little bit.
I went through. He's on it. Guys, please. Let's go.
Eli gets out.
and it's up to Melvin.
Melvin,
You
click
gotta
our-
make it.
Melvin, go!
Please, let's go! Let's go!
Yes!
You motherfuckers! I said don't leave without me.
Yo, Melvin, that door-
Yo, Melvin, that door has a timer on it, big man.
Melvin was right behind
Somebody's
me. I heard
getting
him the whole
out.
time. When I made that, when I started going straight, I knew you were behind me.
Swear to God. Yeah, Eli's not waking up small guys.
No, yeah, he was right behind me, or he came from like the side. Nah, you came right behind me, right as I passed. You were right behind me.
No, I fell down the well.
Yeah, alright.
Oh, maybe that's what I heard. I thought I heard your footsteps.
No, I fell down. No, a hitchhiker was on here.
Oh, that's who it was?
You're a fucking bitch hiker.
Oh, I thought it was you, dude. I thought you got down there quick. I was like,
No.
okay.